Creating an e-commerce website involves developing the technical aspects that determine how the website functions, processes payments, responds to user actions, and looks visually appealing. The web development industry is projected to be valued at $11 billion by 2024, highlighting the importance of user-friendly websites in addressing e-commerce challenges. There are three main options for building your e-commerce shop: open source solutions, customized SaaS, software as a service solutions, and Mac architecture. Each option has its own set of advantages and challenges, and the choice depends on your business needs, technical expertise, and budget. Understanding these options will help you make an informed decision. If your company has an IT or web development team, open source solutions are a smart choice. Open source systems allow you to modify every part of the code, giving you the freedom to create a unique website with minimal restrictions. However, this approach requires your company to handle PCI compliance, web hosting, security, and manual upgrades, which can be complex and costly as your business grows. For those who lack coding skills or the budget to create a new solution, SaaS e-commerce platforms are ideal. SaaS providers handle all technical duties, including hosting, PCI compliance, product updates, and security. This allows businesses to quickly and affordably enter the market. Some solutions, known as open SaaS, combine the benefits of open source and SaaS platforms, offering lower costs and faster time to market. Mac architecture, which stands for Microservices API First, Cloud Native, and Headless, is a modern approach that separates the back-end server side and front-end storefront. This adaptable design allows you to choose the best technology for your company's needs. Microservices are small, focused services that can be combined to form applications. APIs enable communication between applications, while cloud-native applications leverage cloud technology. Headless commerce separates the front-end and back-end, offering greater flexibility. Selecting the right e-commerce developer is crucial for creating a successful website. According to PwC research, 73% of American consumers consider the online purchasing experience important, yet only 49% believe brands provide a good experience. Hire a developer with experience in both front-end and back-end development to ensure a seamless user experience. Evaluate their strengths and ensure they can meet your specific requirements. When developing an e-commerce website, consider essential features such as PCI compliance, web security, SEO, multiple payment options, CMS integration, mobile responsiveness, shopping cart design, and product filtering. Your business model and unique requirements will guide your decision. Make a list of necessary elements based on your objectives and prioritize them to match your customer's lifecycle. Responsive design is crucial as mobile commerce sales are expected to represent over 10% of total retail sales in the United States by 2025. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly and offers a consistent purchasing experience across devices. SEO capabilities are also important for attracting high-intent customers and improving search engine rankings. Site speed, CMS, product management, payments, security, and integrations are all vital components for a successful e-commerce website.